Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5062553, because of this error code, that is 0x80248007. To fix it, the first step is to pause and restart the update. So go to Windows Update, and over here you can see pause option, hit pause, and once the pause is done, this process may take some time, and then click on resume updates. So pause and resume the updates and then check. Still not working. The next step is to start app readiness service. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Find app readiness, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Now update your Windows 11. Still not working. The next step is to run update troubleshooter. Now for this you can go to system, go to troubleshoot option over here, click on other troubleshooter, click on run. Here you can see Windows update. Now click on run. Now over here you can see run the Windows update troubleshooter, and you will see an option which says I can't download, install or uninstall an update. Click on it. Now here you can see, can we run the Windows update automated diagnostics? Select yes. Now in my case, I always receive this error, the Windows update diagnostic failed to run. Would you like to talk to agent? So if you want to talk to agent, you can select yes and you can communicate with agent. The next step is to restart Windows Update and background intelligent transfer service. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Services. And then find Windows Update in the list. Make a double click on Windows Update. Set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. With this selected, make a right click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic. Apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. With this selected, make a right click on restart. Now once done, you can now try to update your Windows 11 and then check. Still not working. The next step is to use Windows 11 installation assistant. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see Windows 11 installation assistant. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. If there is any update, you will see update now option or install now option, and then you can install it from here. In my case, it is already I have the latest version. Now the next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. Over here, write down the name of the update, that is KB5062553, and then click on search over here. For me, it's Windows 11 version 24H2 x64 base system. So you can check what kind of system you have. You can go to system and then scroll down, go to about. Here you can see, in my case, it's 64-bit operating system. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 24H2 x64 based system. Click on download. And here you can see Windows update, that is KB5062553. Click on it. And then once the download is complete, you can just click on this file and you can install this update manually and then check. You can even install this one, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The next step is to reset Windows Update components. For this, copy all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So copy till here. Open Notepad. So open Notepad paste all the command in Notepad, go to file and then click on save as desktop. You can set it to desktop and name this file as wuauserv.bat. And then for save as type, select all files, click on save. Now go to desktop. Here you can see wufix file, make a right click. Make sure that you always run this as an administrator. So run as administrator, click on yes to allow. Now let the process complete. If you receive a prompt to continue, type in Y for yes, hit the enter key. Now first of all, it will stop all the Windows update services and then it will run some scans. Now there are a couple of scans, so the scan will take time. So if you look at the commands, here you can see there are number 3-4 scans. So the scan process will take some time. And once the scans are complete, it will restart all the Windows update services. And once this is completely done, it will automatically close, or you can close it and then restart the computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to fix problems using Windows Update. Now for this, open Windows settings and then go to Windows Update, go to Advanced option, scroll down, go to Recovery option. Over here you can see the option which says Fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now, and this process will take some time. And once the installation is done, log into the computer and then check. Now still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. So copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then you can run this exe file. When you run this exe file, you will see this screen. Click on accept over here, and then by default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Now select ISO file over here. Select ISO file and then you can click on next, and then set the location. You can set it to save it to desktop. So select desktop over here and then click on save, and then let the process complete. This process will take some time. Click on next and then click on finish over here, and then it will take a couple of seconds to close this window. Do not close manually, it will automatically close. Once done, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, then make a double click on setup file, open this file, make a double click, and then click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept, and here you can see ready to install. And by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked and then click on install. Now the install will take some time, and after the installation, log into the computer and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install